Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
PLR Stack 2023 review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this offer called PLR Stack 2023. So this is the PLR Stack 2023 review, and right now we are not on the sales page. You are looking at a virtual machine here and you are looking at the graph. This is called forex trading. This is the system which I use personally to make money on the internet. All of this is on automation. So you might be able to see some trades here. Now all of this is using the software. So I am doing nothing. It's all hands-free and the software is working on its own. Okay, so in case you're interested in learning how to do this on autopilot using a software, then make sure you watch the video till the end. Okay, now coming back to the offer here, PLR Stack 2023, it says guess what happens when 45 plus top quality online publishers and PLR producers get together, this and that. So technically you have a lot of PLR offers in this package. You can go and buy this in one-time cost, I guess, and you will have the access to all these PLR, starting with the product creation toolkit, then power of a daily routine e-kit, 18 free traffic generation strategies, 4 weeks to a more confident UE course, traffic rampage video course, this and that. Okay, now along with the PLR, I guess you will be getting the material as well. You will be getting the sales pages, thank you pages, so that you can go and sell this as your own. So let's see if we have some frequently asked questions. How can you make this work? You can maybe give this away as a, what is that called, lead magnet. Okay, or you may go and sell this, or you may, I don't know. Okay, all of this to me is bullshit because I come from a different planet. I don't talk about selling. If it comes to make money online, from me, no selling. Okay, so no questions here. They don't mention exactly how can you use this, but I assume that you will be getting access to all these PLR products which you can sell and make some money with it. Okay, either you can either you can use it as a lead magnet, or you can sell it and make some profits. Selling means you need to know how to bring traffic to your offers. If you already have an email list, or you have a YouTube channel, or you know how to make sales on the internet, then you can sell anything. It doesn't have to be any PLR. Understand? So in my case, let's say if I am making a YouTube video, if I have a YouTube channel, I can sell anything right now. Okay, so when you're watching the video, I have these links in the description below. So I do not have to sell you PLR Stack necessarily. I can sell you anything of my choice because I know how to bring traffic to my offers. Bringing traffic means how to bring people to see what you have to offer. For example, in this YouTube video, you are coming here. Okay, so I know how to bring people on my YouTube video, and then I can decide if I want to sell PLR Stack or if I want to sell something else. Okay, in my case, as I said just a minute ago, I do not talk about how to make money by selling. I talk about how to make money without selling. Okay, I have shown you one method, which was this forex trading. As you can see here, it's all on autopilot. Okay, you don't have to do anything. It's working right now. And then here we have this thing called YouTube, which I'm making right now, the videos. Now when you watch these YouTube videos, my YouTube channel is monetized. Okay, so you must have seen some ads as well in this video. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, whether I sell you something or not. So as soon you watch my videos, as soon you watch those ads, my money is made. Okay, in both the ways, forex trading or YouTube, I don't have to sell. If you buy from me or if I sell something, that's a bonus. Otherwise I just make money without selling, and that's a very, very big advantage. Anyway, so PLR Stack is not going to change your life unless you already have traffic. Okay, so the offer is quite simple. You will be paying them $27 for the front end, then there are a couple of OTOs. So their OTO one is $37 e-cover authority, then OTO 2 is $197 white label masterclass. Okay, this is OTO 1, this is OTO 2. I don't give a shit. I don't care about OTOs. To be very, I'm already honest. Okay, I am honest all the time. There's nothing to tell. Okay, all of this to me feels garbage. In my According to my personal situation, all of this concept method, you buy some PLR, you sell it, you then wait for somebody to buy, and then you rebrand, and then you upload it on your sale, on your hosting, and you do the same. All of this is garbage to me. You are listening to a person who makes money without selling. I don't have anything else to say. That's it. You want to buy this, go and buy this. In $27, you will be getting access to, I guess, more than 45 PLR offers. If you know what to do with those PLRs, you're most welcome to buy. I don't mind, okay? But if you want to go a step ahead of everybody else, step ahead means everybody else is selling something and then only they're making money. The future is you make money without selling. How about that? How about this machine which you see here? It makes money on autopilot. So you go to sleep. Next morning, you will come back and you will see all the trades will be closed and you would have made some money. How about that? Well, imagine that, okay? So in order to understand what I'm saying, you have to understand everything in detail, okay? So anything else do you have to talk about PLR Stack? I don't think so. It's a simple offer. If you want these PLRs and if you know what to do with them, go and buy. I am not here suggesting you that you go and buy PLR, then you find some people, then you start selling. That's bullshit. If you're a newbie, you need to know what is called traffic. And you don't have those guts to bring traffic to your offer. I know if you're a newbie, okay? As a newbie, stay away from the madness. Do something what works. Other people, other YouTubers are making the review. They're selling this to you with the bonuses. So if they sell this to you from their YouTube videos, they make money. If you buy, you don't make money. If you want to sell, you have to come on YouTube. Who comes on YouTube? They sell, they make money. I come on YouTube, you watch my videos, I make money without even selling anything because my channel is monetized, okay? So I can't keep repeating the same thing over and over again. The point being is, I am making money. Whether you buy this or whether you don't buy this, you will not make money. Only buy this if you know what to do, how to sell these PLRs, or what is your strategy. If you have a plan, go and buy. I don't mind, okay? But if your end goal is only to make money on the internet, then there are more better ways, okay? Let's talk about them now. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here. But if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, okay? Now, we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits, okay? So again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about, okay? I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype, okay? Do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework, okay? If you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine. I will be setting up the graph. I will be installing the software. I will be giving the settings to the software. Everything I will manage on your behalf. and once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.